Hi, my name is Chris Merlin. I'm a senior product manager here at Kennametal, involved in our round tools for medical solutions. Today we're going to be showcasing our innovative cutting tool solutions and machining strategies for the machining of a femoral stem. The femoral stem is the bottom part of a hip replacement. It connects to the acetabular cup and ball, which are the three main components in a hip replacement surgery. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope that you'll tune in the future as we machine more of these interesting medical components.